everybody, it's Carrie, and I'm going to give you the exact recipe for Hacienda's house dressing, and I'm telling you it tastes exactly the same. It's 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of honey, depending how sweet you like it, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, and then 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, or you can use chopped up garlic, about 3 cloves. Then you just give that a whisk. Then a dash of salt and pepper to taste. You need to refrigerate it for at least an hour. I say 2 or 3. Now, this is how they make them at Hacienda. They usually use Jack cheese, Monterey Jack, but I had Colby Jack. So I had my homemade beans on a little tostado, putting them in the microwave and melting the cheese and heating the beans. Then I just take my leftover chicken, whatever meat you want, you do. I'm doing traditional tiny sized tostadas, and then your lettuce, and they put little tomato slices around the tostado. After a couple hours of your dressing being in the refrigerator, I just put it in a old Thousand Island bottle to keep it in the refrigerator. Douse it because I make it swim, and you got yourself a Hacienda tostado. Yay. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate you. If you haven't, please subscribe, hit the bell for notification, and give me a thumbs up on your way out. I appreciate you. And until we're together again in my kitchen, hunker down.